What's going on, guys? Jon Venus here. Welcome back to another video. Today I have another protein shake recipe without protein powder. Even though I personally consume protein powder, I want to show you guys that you can make protein shakes and protein smoothies and meals high in protein without relying on supplements. So here is an example of a very simple smoothie with whole food ingredients that you can find anywhere in the world. So let's get started. So the first ingredient is the soy milk. So soy milk is a great alternative if you want to drink a milk that is higher in protein. And the next ingredient that we're going to be using is 100 grams of mango. These are frozen just because frozen mangoes are cheaper, at least where we come from. So we're just throwing in frozen in there. Plus it makes the smoothie a lot more fresh and nice to drink. Then we have the other fruit that is going into the smoothie, the protein shake. This is a ripe banana. So this is like a pretty large one, around 100 calories, but these two are the only fruits that are going into the smoothie. Very sweet and flavorful, so this is gonna help a lot. So don't try to make this without the fruits. Now we have the high protein greens. So we got 30 grams of kale right here, frozen kale, not frozen anymore. But not much. Like, you can use spinach, you can use other dark leafy greens instead, whatever is more affordable for you. Dark leafy greens in general are super high in protein, so I definitely recommend getting those in and putting them in smoothies. So this little thing will boost the protein intake by a tiny bit, not much, because it's so light. But the next thing is gonna be unusual. Check this out. So we got green peas, frozen green peas, probably the most unusual ingredient you'll ever see in a protein shake or smoothie. But it has a decent amount of protein. Every 100 grams has 6 grams of protein. The taste, especially when it's frozen, is not too harsh, so you can blend it pretty easily. And it has a lot of other minerals and vitamins that are super healthy and important. Now, the main star of the show today is gonna be the pumpkin seeds. So we got 3 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds going into the protein shake. Okay, so I'm gonna start by pouring in the cup of soy milk, just because when you pour the milk in first, the rest of the ingredients won't stick to the bottom of the blender or cause any problems. And then I'm gonna be blending the milk by itself with the pumpkin seeds and the kale, because those are the hardest ingredients to blend up, and depending on the blender you have, you might need to spend extra time on this phase. But if you have a Vitamix or something like that, just throw everything in there together, it'll be fine. Alright, so that's more or less blended enough. So now I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients, the frozen green peas. Yeah, they seem like they would be super hard to blend, but I've never had a problem blending these peas. And then I'm gonna add the ripe banana. It's just one of the main things that everyone around the world can eat and make smoothies out of. So then we got mangoes, and that's pretty much it. We got everything, right, Catherine?
Yeah.
Blend everything again, and let's see what the final result looks like. So if you want your smoothie a little bit runnier rather than thick, add a splash of water. Pour that into a glass. Perfect. Perfect amount. So this comes to around 500 calories, 22 grams of protein, which is definitely enough for recovery purposes, for muscle building purposes right after a workout. Obviously you want to get in more protein throughout the day with different meals, but this is definitely a solid post-workout shake. All the minerals and vitamins that this includes will make you feel a difference. So definitely try this out, and let's give it a taste test, which is the most important part of the video. You ready for this, Catherine? Mm-hmm. Yeah, not bad at all. All right, Catherine, you gotta try. What do you think?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah?
I can taste the pea a little bit,
Yeah,
but
same.
it doesn't bother me at all.
Yeah, the green peas
it
are a
tastes
little
like
bit
a-
strong, but
Like
not
a green
much.
smoothie.
Yeah, exactly. But Catherine, we know who the main judge is, so let's go upstairs
See if Noah
and
likes
see
it.
if Noah likes it.
You want a
Alright,
taste test?
it's the ultimate judge. What do you say?
Did you like it?
I guess that means
liked it.
that he liked it, I think.
I didn't spit it out.
He didn't spit it out. That's kind of the test for us.
He wants more.
He wants more, so yeah, definitely a success. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this little recipe video. If you did, make sure to share this with your friends who can't afford protein powder or can't find healthy, quality protein powder. And if you're looking for a protein powder that is tested for heavy metals and that kind of stuff, check out Vivo Life, link in the description box below. Definitely my top recommendation. Anyways, thank you. Make sure to subscribe, share with your friends, comment down below, and we'll see you very soon. Bye-bye. See bye? See, bye-bye. Bye. Moo.